Hello, welcome to another Informatica video tutorial. My name is Fernando Guerrero. I am a cloud solution specialist, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use the Operation Insights alert to stop jobs and get notifications. Through this video I will show you about the different criteria that we have to trigger those alerts. I will do a little demo, and at the end I will give you a link for more documentation about these features. The Operation Insights alert, it has capabilities that will allow you to check on a job that is running, and you can get alerts. This alert is going to be an email telling you if the job failed, if it finished with warnings, if it finished successfully, if it got suspended. You can also set limits about for how long do you want the job to run, and if it runs for more than this time, you want to get a notification, and you can stop the job if you want. Or you can also choose for how many rows you are going to process and set that one as a limit. Now, when you use these alerts, there is a waiting period between you use one alert and then you reuse the same alert later. And this waiting period was created to avoid spamming your email with so many notifications. So basically, if you have one alert that is monitoring one job and you trigger this alert, you will have to wait 1 hour to use the same alert for a second time. Then if you use it for a second time, you have to wait 12 hours to use it for a third time. And then you will have to wait 24 hours if you want to use it for a fourth time. So this was done to avoid spamming your email. And now I am going to do a little demo so you see how you can set all these configurations. So now for the demo, when you log into your Informatica account, you come here to the Informatica services and you will search for Operational Insights. Once you are in the Operational Insights webpage, you can come here to alerts and you can create an alert for data integration. Let's gonna create one right now. We can name it any way we want. Test 1 alert. We are going to search for which mapping task flow we want to monitor with this alert. So I will go for one of my mappings, and I want to monitor this one, so I am going to select this one. And here we can choose different conditions. For example, I will choose if it's running. If this job runs for more than 15 minutes, I know that there is something wrong and I don't want that these jobs run for way more time. So I want to stop it after 15 minutes. I know there is something wrong, and so I am going to specify who is going to get the notification. Here we have the email notification, and here I will specify that I want to stop the task. Okay, so you need to select this one. Otherwise, the only thing that we'll do is just to send the notification. So yeah, here instead of duration, you can also do it by how many rows it's going to process. You know, if you were expecting 1,000 rows and your process is only processing 100, you know something is wrong. So you would like to get an email, or in this case, if the number is way bigger than what you're expecting, you want to stop it. There is something wrong. So this is how you can use the alerts. And remember, there is a waiting period. So this is not good. For example, if you run, let's say here you want to do it by duration. If you have a job, you have a scheduled job that runs every 20 minutes, and you want to make sure that one job is not going to overlap with the next one. So you can put here an alert, and maybe one of those jobs really surpass the 15 minutes is going to trigger. But then in the next time that you schedule the job, if that job also takes more than 15 minutes, then this alert is not going to stop it. Remember, you have to wait before you can reuse the same alert one more time. That's a limitation that you need to keep in mind. If you want to learn more about Informatica Operational Insights, you can visit this link. You will find description of all the different things that you can do with this tool, all the settings, and it's going to be a really comprehensive guide. So please visit this site. If you have any feedback about this video or anything else that you would like to learn, to see from Informatica, you can send us an email or contact us in our social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching this video.